Hey guys, Paul, Inventor 3. Alright. Let's see. Kind of picking up where we left off with our solar panel project here. Not too good. Alright, these are all my little panels. They're sitting on top of the squares of LEDs just like this. This is 3 that I do not have the panels on top of. These panels are rated at 12 volt, 3 watt, in bright sunlight. I'm probably only getting about 5 volts each one right now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in series with each other, which is giving me about 30 volts. And then I lit this 100 LEDs off of them. It's kind of dim compared to these that the solar panels are sitting on top of. So I'm like, all right, we need more current. So I put another 6. These 6 are in series with each other, but these 6 and these 6 are in parallel with each other. So we're keeping our 30 volts, but boosting up the current. And now they're a little brighter, but still not as bright as these. And the camera settings on here are not giving these LEDs justice, but I know you can't see all the wiring here, but I got, like I said, this square is lit up from all these solar panels that are laying on top of these LEDs. I have my probe, my voltmeter probe, across 10 of these LEDs here, and you can see it's 24 and a half. And with only 6 instead of 12, or 6 and 6 in parallel with each other, if I only had 6, it was like 24 and a quarter volts. You know, you'd have to have a lot more panels on here just to... You get so much energy loss, and it's not worth it, guys. I was hoping that maybe I can get like one bulb lit up. That would have been nice to get it, but I need at least 120 volts, and I don't have enough LEDs here to put panels on to get 120 volts. Yeah, I don't know if you could, if you actually did get 12 volts out of each panel. Maybe all in series, not in parallel. I don't know. But anyhow, you know, the reason I did this whole solar panel project here is just so that, one, like I said, I could get a bulb lit and easily show then that we have our over unity. You know, but I still have to get it verified and replicated by, you know, certified, you know, someone who's got a known reputation and such. Anyhow, so, and the other reason I thought it'd be cool to have these panels is, if I could work off the energy of those panels, I know that energy is a nice clean DC. You know, whereas when I hook LEDs and such in different areas of my system, you know, one area it's very super high frequency pulsed, and another area it's like a AC, and you know, it's just, you never know what you're working with. That so here's just, you're just working in positive at this over here, it's just negative over there. So that's another reason I thought the panels would be nice, because I know whatever's coming off of them is you know, just a solid, normal, everyday DC. So, but anyhow, we're not getting enough power to even really play or do anything with it. Too much energy loss. I was not doing this to create a sustained loop, because if I want to create a sustained loop, I don't need the solar panels. See, the energy that's lighting up these LEDs which are much brighter, that I would, eliminate those, and you could loop that energy around to power our power supply. Anyhow, so guys, I'm calling this a fail right now. Okay, it's not helping me in any way that I wanted it to. So we're going to move on to some other experiments. And we're going to get control over this thing pretty darn soon here. So I think things will start getting much more exciting in these videos. We're going to work on a way yet to boost the voltage. It's not easy with one wire in, one wire out. And we're going to, eventually go over that and make a video on that. So for right now, though, guys, that's about it. Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. And we'll see you again real soon. There's one more little thing here. It's a little piezoelectric buzzer. And I got it hooked up to the same spot we just had our 100 LEDs in there you just saw a minute ago. There's nothing. No sound. There it is. Alright, now let's see what happens if I attach it to the end of our LEDs over here. Hang on one second. Okay. There's our little buzzer. So, see what I mean? We're not getting anything, barely any power on those panels compared to what we have going through our system. So anyhow, guys, till next time.